In this video, I'm gonna get started with the product section of the admin area, and this is gonna be a bit more involved than pages and categories. So anyway, first of all, I'm gonna create that collection in my database here. So I'm gonna call it products. Okay, and now I'm gonna create a model. So I'm gonna copy page.js, let's say, and call it product. So here I'm gonna say product schema and just copy that product word and paste it here. So I'm gonna have a title and a slug and a description, desk, like so. And let me just paste that product word here. Okay, so I can copy and paste these now. So I'm gonna copy this desk and that's gonna be category, also of type string, and required true is fine. And I'm gonna have a price now, which is gonna be a number. You can't have a decimal specified here. It has to be a number. And I'm also gonna have an image, so I'm just gonna copy this slug actually and say image here of type string, so this will contain just the image name. And I can say required true for the price. Doesn't really make a difference as I'm validating that with Express Validator, but anyway. So by the way, in case I haven't mentioned this before, if you didn't validate fields with Express Validator, let's say, and you had the required field here, such as a title, and if you don't have any title when you submit the form, it will just hang there. So that wouldn't be a good user experience. But anyway, now I'm gonna install a few additional plugins I'm gonna be using. So here I'm gonna stop the server and I'm gonna say npm install -- save, and I'm gonna install express - file upload, and I'm also gonna install fs - extra. So there's this fs plugin that comes with Node, and this one expands it basically to add more functionality. And it's used as a replacement for the FS, so you don't need to include both FS and FS Extra. Just including FS Extra includes FS as well. And I'm also gonna get the mkdirp plugin, so I'm able to create directories. And I'm also gonna get resize - img plugin for image resizing. Okay, that should be it. Okay, so they seem to have been installed. So in app.js, I just need to include the file upload and add some middleware for that, and the other three don't require any setup, and I'm gonna be using them inside the products route.js file. So here in app.js, I'm gonna say here var file upload, and that's gonna be equal to require express file upload. So this one. And I'm gonna set up that middleware for that, just let's say before this body parser. So I'm gonna say here express file upload middleware, and I'm gonna say here app.use and call the file upload function basically. And that should do it for uploading files. Now I should be able to upload files, which actually means get the file type from get the file from the form input, because body parser doesn't handle those types of fields. And I also need to add that products route, so I'm gonna copy this and say here admin underscore products, and this is gonna say admin products as well. And I'm gonna copy this line, so this is gonna be /products and admin products here. And to create that route file, finally, I'm gonna copy the subin pages, for example, and call it admin_products. Let me just see here, I'm including that. Okay, it's all good. So other than these Express and Router plugins, I'm also gonna need the mkdirp. So require mkdirp and two more. So I'm gonna need that fs, which is actually fs extra, and also resize image. So this is, I'm gonna say resize image, and I'm gonna say here get product model, and var product is gonna be equal to require models product. Okay, and that's it for the setup, and I'm gonna pick it up in the next video.